Rustic charm and modern style blend perfectly to create an exquisite experience at the Lodges East Lansing. Choose from charming private 1 to 4-bedroom apartments, an opulent studio featuring premium hardwood floors, kitchen with essential appliances, and a dishwasher for easy cleanup. There's queen-size beds for restful snoozes, plus in-unit laundry for breezy chores. From an academic success center with IMAX ready to roll, private study rooms or study lounges for locked-in sessions, to speedy Wi-Fi included in your rent, you've got everything to crush it at uni. Smash intense workouts at the well-equipped fitness center, or swim laps in the heated swimming pool. With several social, recreational, and educational events, you'll make golden memories to cherish forever. Get to class on time when Michigan State University is just a short drive away. Plus, with SBD Hagedorn Pass Service and WBD Service Road at Lot 91 bus stops just a stroll away, explore the city seamlessly. So, book your spot at the Lodges East Lansing now with amberstudent.com.